Okay, back to here. Hope everybody is in the same steps. Then we will have 4 different models. 好，前面的 the former part data reprocessing，for 它的 numeric for standard deviation for 它的那个training and data set 的都弄好了之后，我们就要开始一个一个模型来咯。We will start it from 5 different models. From sklearn.tree. First, we use the tree. Decision tree classified. So it's a review 我们所有学过的 decision tree 等于 decision tree classifier. And the random state here, we provide as our dates today. 2026-06-2. Okay. And GT will fit our frame. XD and Y frame. Three. The accuracy. DT.score. That's great. Okay, this is the first one, and the second one is tested. Then this part has to be tested. And Y test. Go. Accuracy, are you the same with me? Seems to be a little bit overfitting, right? Because the training is 100 and the testing is just 0.80. If you don't want that way, we can use some next. For example, maybe the criteria is the interest. And our maximum depth equal 10. And B, and C, whether it's better. 没有更好，没有更好，我们就不要用，因为没有两个都升了。Is that getting better? No. So back to original. Sorry. 好 the original, this is faster, the best. This first model, DT. And the second, we use the random forest. Remember, from sklearn, in sample 记得它已经投票 voting， 不是在 tree 里面的，叫做 random forest classifier。好 we use the random forest classifier, and we want the n activated like 200 and maximum pre-other depth is 8, and the random state is just the base 8. And then we fit. Random forest fit. Everything is the same. Random forest fit and random forest fit. So the result also random forest. Let's go. Oh, Okay, the accuracy is getting better, but also its training is not so good. But having is better. So next part, we use the Haynes neighbor from excavator neighbors input A nearest neighbors classified ANN equal. OK，N estimator，上次我们做，我记得好像有到30几号，maybe today we will use the 30，maybe yeah。我记得上次好像30 based on the data to cut, right? Paint nearest neighbor fit. Okay, the other thing is totally the same. We just copy and paste. And remember, change our model. 所以呢 Hence, you learn classification one model, then you can use it for any other model, as long as you know the principle of the model. 如果你学会了分类，在 Python 的 package XK 的，你就可以套到其他的，只要你知道原本的原理是什么就可以了。Okay, let's see the K-means neighbor, but the training accuracy 是没有用的哦，比较有用是 testing。testing 降到0.6 ，maybe 这个太这个。值呢？这个答案0.03，好，不然就5好了。好，还是10好了，至少是0.63。OK， okay. And then SVC. SVN import SVC。好，这里呢，我们要介绍的是非线性的。Here we introduce the nonlinear这个我们听过非线性 nonlinear。I'm curious，我们听过 nonlinear。You know, anybody can help me? Spelling, writing wrong, nonlinear, nonlinear, linear. Okay. Over here, SVN. SVN equal SVC. Okay, 这是 gamma， 这是曲线的程度 ，and C equal and kernel RB 然后 probability through， 这是否非线性的哦。The SVN 的 C X frame X Y frame。哦，后面的就是用数字揭晓。SVN 好，这不一样。好，那等你一下。好，停一下，等你。